This video is going to show how to create a clocked SR flip-flop spice model in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice 23.1. Select Place, PSpice Part, Modeling Application from the menu. In the Modeling application, expand Digital Flip-flops. Select Clocked SR, Set Reset. This model contains preset and clear pins which can be used to set the output of the flip-flop without the clock. In the Options window, set the clock to output delay to 15 nanoseconds, the set reset delay to 13 nanoseconds, the setup time to 13 nanoseconds, and the hold time to 5 nanoseconds. Set the threshold to 1.4 volts, the hysteresis width to 0.4, the output resistance to 1 milliohm, and the input resistance to 10 gigaohms. Click Place. Click to place the flip-flop in the schematic. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes on the clock, Data 1, Data 2, and Data Out nets. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The output is flipped high when Data 1 is high and low when Data 2 is high. Back in the schematic, select the DStim1 stimulus. Hold Alt on the keyboard and click and drag to disconnect the stimulus from the net. Select the DStim2 stimulus. Hold Alt and click and drag to disconnect the stimulus from the net. Connect DStim1 to the Data 2 net and connect DStim2 to the Data 1 net. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The output pattern is now inverted. Quickly create the required SR flip-flop spice models and simulate accurate digital circuit behavior with the PSpice modeling application in OrCAD PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.